Hey guys, Arwin Nishan here. So this video is really all about navigation. So it is basically going to tell you how to get to AWS Lambda. So there are actually three ways to do it. Interestingly, if you go to your console home, this is what you should expect. This kind of design and look. Of course, depending on when this video is made, they may change the design, but this I believe is the default layout of the homepage. So the first most commonly, I would say, used navigation would be the search bar, right? So if you've never used Lambda before, chances are you just want to go to the search bar up here and type Lambda, and boom, right? So you would have Lambda as the first result. So I like to open it and open this link in a new tab, so you can do that too. So I'll just do that and see if it works. And yes, there we go, right? So we can see here that I have a couple of quite a lot of functions already created. So yeah, so that's one way, right? The first way is to use the search bar. The second way is to actually bookmark it, right? So in AWS, they show it as a star. Well, I mean, Google Chrome also shows it as a star. So, you can say you star it or you bookmark it, whichever is fine. So I'm just going to bookmark this and watch what happens. So observe my screen as I bookmark it. Okay, see what changed? So if you didn't realize, a Lambda symbol popped up here. So I'm just going to click on the star button again and see it disappear and appear again. So look at that. So this is very convenient, right? So the next time, you come to your console homepage, you can just see, hey, right, this is my favorite service. I've bookmarked it. And it's as easy as just clicking on, Lambda here. And you should go to the same page. There we go. Okay, so that's the second option. And of course, the third option, I believe, is should be obvious at this point. You see that you have a recently visited tab here, and it shows that Lambda was the most recently visited service, and that makes sense because I just went there. So yep. So I would so next time I log on here, I can either search, click on the bookmarked page here, the Lambda bookmarked service, which is Lambda, or click on Lambda under recently visited. And what's interesting, so I'm going to add something interesting here. You can actually add widgets if you want. So, there's some widgets that you can, add if you want to. In this case, it seems like I only have one widget left, which is favorite. But, that's pretty interesting because that's pretty much just your bookmarks. And I think I can move around, I can move these around. So, feel free to, customize your widgets on your homepage. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with the default layout. So it's really up to you.